Former Tripura Chief Minister and MP Biplab Kumar Deb arrived at the Maharaja Bir Bikram airport on Wednesday morning alongside his newly wedded wife, Triveni Rao. Immediately after receiving a rousing ceremony welcome from party workers and state ministers at the airport, the couple travelled straight to Udaipur. They visited the historic Mata Tripura Sundari Temple, where they offered special prayers and sought divine blessings from their married life ahead. The focus now shifts back to the capital city, where a grand wedding reception is scheduled to take place later this evening at the Hotel Polo Towers. The high-profile event is expected to be a star-studded affair, hosting top political dignitaries including Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, cabinet ministers, senior administrative officials and prominent social figures from across the state. Reportable Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.